Hi friends, my name is Suzanne and I am a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I want to welcome you to an annual series called Rockin' the Retiring List. Stampin' Up's new annual catalog is just around the corner, but I was hoping to celebrate and utilize some of the retiring products that are available now, and if all goes well, I can share some creative ideas using these items. So follow along with me for the next little while for some crafty fun and inspiration with the Stampin' Up! Retiring List. Hello friends, here we are again with the Artistically inked stamp set and dies, along with a 3D embossing folder called Time Worn Type. I have dry emboss this with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I'm going to set it off to the side, and now I'm going to adhere the layers. So this is Parakeet Party on basic white, and then we're going to put that basic white on Parakeet Party cardstock. So it is a green on white on green cardstock, and the biggest focal point on this card is going to be that die cut, as you can see, top left. The black paper or cardstock that I used, I put adhesive sheet on the back of it, so I basically made myself a sticker. So you'll see how I get out those little intricate pieces. Oh, it was a little difficult, I'll tell you that. So the reason why I just wanted this little white border. It brings in, I try to stick with sort of 3 colors when I design, and one or two maybe neutrals or so, but this is kind of the vibe I'm going for. I made sure that time worn type was the right side up, and because there is a right side and a wrong side. And now I have this die cut with adhesive sheet, and basically I found the easiest way to remove those little leaf particles is just to stick it on my stupid finger. So I end up, by the end of this card, I end up with lots of these little pieces on my fingers. So with the adhesive sheet, I am putting my bone folder over top of it, then running my hands over it to make sure there's no sticky uppy pieces. The last card I made, I actually stamped out the happy birthday twice. So it was just sitting on my desk. So I decided to use it instead of restamping, but it was just a little strip of white, and I just used Memento Tuxedo Black ink for the happy birthday. Now this is a little scrap of Parakeet Party, and I'm just going to use my scissors to cut it out. I don't know if any of you guys do this, but I wanted a border for my sentiment piece. So that's what I did. Put some adhesive behind it, stuck it to a bit of card, and just trimmed with my long scissors. Stampin' Up! Used to sell these. They don't sell it anymore. I think you can find something similar at Epicure. And it is a Canadian company, but you can find Epicure scissors in the US now, or well, the Spice Company anyway. So I put dimensionals on the back of that, and I made sure that the happy birthday was straight. So I did this leaf motif twice through the cut and emboss machine. So right now I cut off the bottom of that leaf, and then I'm sort of just wiggling 2 leaves out of this branch. And this is where I get a little crazy. I left it in so that you can see. It's not hard. If it was not adhesive, obviously it wouldn't stick to my fingers like this. But because there's adhesive sheet on it, I kind of just press them into my fingers, and then all of a sudden I only have 3 working fingers on that hand. Oh, how silly, right? I bet you do something crazy like that too. Anyway, as we're crafting, it doesn't mean anything that we're not messy. So I put the leaf on that side just for a little zhuzhing, and then here is the remaining part of that leaf, and I cut out some extra bits, and again I'm sticking the little the negative pieces on my fingertips, and I'm just putting this black leaf on the inside of the card. My New Year's resolution was to address the inside of the card. I'm trying to get used to it, so that is what I did. I went in with the classic matte dots, and I added 3 little dots, a big and then a big and a little. Okay, kids, that is my share for today. I will list the products I used in the description of this video and in the supply section of my blog. If you have found value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me rocking the retiring list, please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. So comment below if you have a question or just want to say hi. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.